Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I did a bronze eye look, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So for today's tutorial, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. And to start, I'll be priming my eyelid, and I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. And to blend my concealer, I'll be using a Bare Minerals Coverage Concealer brush, which is this one. And I'll list everything I use in this video down in the description box. And then to set my concealer, I will be using this color right here. And then the first color we'll be using is this one. And this would just go in our outer corner. And then the next color we'll be using will be this one right here. And this would just go right in here. And then for our inner corner, I'll be using this one right here. And then we'll take this color right here, and we'll just put it a little bit over that one. And then we'll do a wing eyeliner, and the eyeliner that I'll be using is the E.l.f, and it's in the color Jet Black. And then I'll be using my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Great Lash in the color Blackest Black. And then to bronze our face, I'll be using the Sephora MicroSmooth Baked Bronzer Duo in the color Honey Heat. And then to highlight our face, I'll be using this color right here. And then for lips, I will be using a NYX Butter Gloss in the color Maple Blondie. And then for our tear duct, we'll be taking the same highlighting color. And then to finish our makeup, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And here is the finished look. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.